Hello, today we are going to talk about Faircent personal loan. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person are eligible for Faircent personal loan. Having monthly salary of more than 25,000. Applicant age should be between 22 years to 57 years. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 625. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, he/she may get loan amount up to 50,000 to 10 lakhs. Rate of interest will be 25% to 30% at reducing. Loan tenure means time period of loan in Faircent Bank will be 3 months to 36 months. Processing fee will be 6% to 8% of the loan amount. Foreclosure charges is allowed but after 3 months with charges. Part payment will be nil after 3 months. FOIR, fixed obligation to income ratio, will be 80% of net salary. Turnaround time is 1 day to 7 days. Processing mode will be online. OD product is not allowed. BT Plus top-up is not available. Co-applicant is not mandatory. Location coverage is Pan-India. A unique selling point or USP is one of the important things in a company or business. USP of Faircent personal loan funding to all employee if they have CIBIL score. Employer vintage should be 3 years. His or her minimum job experience should 3 months continuous salary. Let's talk about some other points. Salary mode, person who is applying for the personal loan will be eligible. If salary receiving via NEFT, RTGS, company transfer. He or she will not eligible for a personal loan if applicant is receiving salary in cash salary and IMSS, UPI salary, -1 CIBIL score applicant. Required documents. KYC of applicant like Aadhaar card plus PAN card plus passport size photo. Last 3 months salary slip required. Last 6-month bank statement in PDF. Form 16 of last 2 year. Rent agreement if rented or utility bill if residence is owned. Sanction letter of all current running loan if any. Office ID card or official email ID if any. If any.